for. Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oostburg to near Cedar Grove to Port Washington, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington,